pleasure because today we have the valedictory session of ORAM 2020. And I would like to share here that ORAM is always standing as the one of the pillar of research and innovation for entire the world. The researcher start learning their research from ORAM. And it is always the immense pleasure for us. And we are becoming overwhelmed that whenever we are getting you all together in this platform. And we have seen that numbers of our people, numbers of our officers, academicians, researchers are here. I would like to share with you in this valedictory session the organizing committee of our ORAM 2022. We have patron Dr. Jan Raleigh Madam from City University, New York, United States of America. We have our convener, Professor Dr. Catalina and Mendoza Sir from Philippines. We have organizing secretary Samuel Kamanda from Ghana. We have coordinator Keki Collins from Nigeria. So I would like to say that our members, their presence, if there anyone is present here, and I think that Keki Collins is here, and I would like to take the opportunity to unmute KK Collins and we listen to you for such an arrangement of this workshop and your contribution and organizing this kind of workshop. And our Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America, and Eudoxia Research Center, India, always appreciating your contribution. Please share your one comment to the researcher and academician of the world as the I think, coordinator of ORAM 2022.
Hello there, Professor. Good afternoon from Nigeria. I'm so excited to be here today. It's been a long time, but I'm so happy. I've missed your face, I've missed your awesome lectures, and I've missed the wonderful lectures of Eudoxia. So wonderful. The session, I just watched the session of Dr. Ajay Gadesa, awesome session. He did so awesome, nicely. And I want to also congratulate all researchers from all around the world. Eudoxia Research University and Eudoxia Research Center is the place to be. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you, Professor. God bless you.
Thank you very much, and big congratulations to you for being the coordinator of ORAM 2022, and congratulations for your contribution to this organization. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now I would like to take the opportunity to unmute our General Manager, Dr. Sukhbinder Singh. I would like to share that he's always the dynamic person and always trying his best to support the organization, researcher, academicians to make their publications, to support them, their research, and coordinating with our most of the speakers and heading our academic section. So I would like to have one comment from our Dr. Sukhbinder Singh.
Thank you so much, sir, for unmuting me. It's always been a pleasure, and especially congratulations to all the organization members, especially our thanks to our patron, Raleigh Madam, and of course, Catalina Mendoza, sir, and also KK Collins, sir. And especially with the ORAM 5.0, we have started with the fundamentals with research, then we moved to qualitative and quantitative. So the entire formulation of that thesis or a PhD's life journey we have compiled in that phase. Now, again, we are starting with TROMP, that is then especially focusing on publication, which is the lifeline for our research and the bedrock of our research. So I'm looking forward for that session, and I'm sure all the scholars in this platform had immense, and we have one marathon session, and thanks to you, it was an iconic session. Now we have no complaints and no questions of anything regarding the reference management software, how to use the technology in our comfort zone as well. So thank you so much, sir. And I would like to congratulate all the speakers, all the guest of honors also, who have come in the ORAM and have in this iconic platform as well. So looking forward for the Trump, and all the scholars I request to register for the IIP program. Now we have started with the 7th batch, and that will be a new journey in terms of the research for them as well. Our main motive is to solve their problems and help them in each and every aspect as well. So congratulations to all the scholars who are present. And it was a wonderful, wonderful training program, and of course the research methodology international workshop which we have conducted. So congratulations to all, and very good evening from my side to all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much for such a wonderful message here. And we are congratulating you also for your support and contribution. Now this is time to have the one message of our Dean, Professor Dr. Rajesh Kannur, sir. I would like to share here that sir is always standing with the research center, with our research university, all the time supporting our research innovation, and also taking his own session to support the researcher globally and connecting the researchers' heart to their research. So over to you, sir. Please share your message in this very declaration.
Namaskar, sir. Namaskar, sir. Good evening, sir. And good evening to Dr. Collins and Oram members, okay, and Dr. Sukhinder Singh, General Manager, and all the family members of an Eudoxia Research University and as well as an Eudoxia Research Center, and moreover, our iconic participants, okay, they are the backbone of our platform, our university, our center. Yeah, of course, we have covered, as Dr. Sukhinder Singh has told, that from starting with a problem statement to, we have covered the research journey, but still be connect with us. And always, it is an ongoing process. We are having much more than this one to deliver to you in the next sessions, upcoming sessions, okay? So get connected with us, and not only having a connection, contribute to the community without any expectations. It gives you so much of it empowers itself only. So the philosophy of an Eudoxia is learning while earning. Okay, earning while learning also. Okay, this is on this basis, and to make the community free from these problems, and also we have to empower. Okay, this is the ultimate philosophy of an Eudoxia. Be stick on to it, okay, and stay with us. Okay, connected with us. We are there to help you. With this one, I thank all the organizers, okay, and participants, those who have made this forum a very great, successful one. Thank you, one and all. Good night from India.
Thank you very much, sir. That was wonderful message by our Professor Dr. Rajesh Kannur, sir, the Dean from Eudoxia Research Center, India. And now I would like to request any participants or other officer, if Samuel is also here. I don't know, that's Samuel Kabanda, that's I think not here now. Our organizing secretary, and our that's I think convener, Professor Dr. Catalina Mendoza, sir, facing some health issue, and he actually vaccinated and facing some issues. We are praying for his faster recovery. Our Rod sir also facing some health issue, and he gone through surgery and successful surgery. We are appreciating each and every researcher that for your comment and for your experience. I would like to appreciate our Professor S.K. Poral sir also, our Professor Dr. J.M. Lolly madam, our patron, always standing with us, our Brian Price from the United States, our entire team from India and USA, and also every officer, each and every officer from 193 countries of the world, those who are maybe involved in our system development, maybe in our marketing, maybe in our branding, maybe in our academics, maybe in research, maybe in innovation. We are coming towards the end of today's webinar, and before ending the session, I would like to share you that the mission of Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America, and Eudoxia Research Center, India, is very clear. We want to bring you together. We want to reduce the gap from academics to the professional world. We have seen that the most of the time that we have our degree in our hand, we have our knowledge, but we cannot apply it directly to get connected with the society or to get the outcome. And the generation of revenue is really good. And I'm asking each and every one researcher to be involved in the creativity, research, and innovation. I hope that in this way, we can build the new world with the Renaissance, starting from our Eudoxia Research University. Thank you everyone for your support, for your contribution, for your excellent presentations, all the speakers. My special thanks to organizing committee, our member, our dean, Professor Dr. Rajesh Kanpur. Namaste from India, and we will meet you again in our next webinar. And I would like to share that TROM 2022 will be incredible and it will be outstanding for publication and writing of manuscript, how you can go for publication of your Scopus paper, how you can draft your original manuscript and the review paper writing, everything included with the plagiarism checking, paraphrasing, and more about the reference. Thank you, everyone. We will meet you again. And thank you for your messages. It is really inspiring us, and we are always keeping in this our memory. And our motto is to create the beautiful and sweet memory for our life. Thank you, everyone. Good night from India. We will meet you again in our next webinar. Thank you. Namaste.